Assalamu warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I am fine and you?
Alhamdulillah, I am also fine. What is your name?
My name is Samiul Islam and you?
I am Murad Hussain. What is your father's name?
My father's name is Shahabuddin Islam and you?
My father's name is Musharraf Hussain. Where are you from?
I am from Retrukuna and you?
I am from Maimunishing Tirishal. Where are you going?
I going to madrasa.
What is the name of your madrasa?
Talimul Quran Cadet Madrasa.
What is your principal's name?
The name of my principal is Mufti Jalaluddin Nurani Damat Brakatul Aliyah.
What class are you in?
I reading class 2.
How many students in your classroom?
There are 20 students in my classroom.
In which section of your madrasa is teaching?
Nurani Nazara Kitab and Cadet Department are taught in our madrasa.
Do you know is the president of students' conference?
Yes, you are Aprovable Islam Shahid.
What is your English teacher name?
My English teacher's name is Maulana Jamil Ahmed Tarkanda.
Thank you so much.
You are welcome.